over the past few weeks, I received interesting comments. My inspiration is gone, how do I get unstuck? It feels like I've been hit by an inspiration drought. Is there a remedy or a trick? Hello and welcome back. Today let's talk about the white page syndrome. Allow me to share the approach I use. Now I know it's not perfect and the trick won't work for everyone, but it's worth giving it a try. To break free from my creative rut, I do one simple thing. I push myself beyond my comfort zone. What you see now is where I shine. I feel the safest and the most comfortable when I paint cartoons like this one. I love the style, I'm good at it, and most importantly, it's fun. But there is a problem with this. If I don't try new styles, I won't move forward. I'll get stuck at one level, or even worse, I won't improve in my art. So to step out of my comfort zone, I need to experiment. The next question I'm sure you are wondering is how to step out of your comfort zone. Let me suggest a few things. For starters, try creating something you would rarely or never do. Then try new tools, new special effects, or new techniques. Even better, invent a new style or a painting method. You are going to do this slowly. Start with a small project and increase the difficulty levels as you go. Just remember, push the boundaries as far as you can, but at your own rhythm. Finally, and most importantly, keep experimenting. Keep working. Creativity is like a muscle. You need to keep exercising to stimulate your mind. Now, over the years, I have created a routine. For instance, I experiment with new brushes and tools almost every month, and I try new painting styles once in a while. As you can see here, over the years, I have experimented with a few different styles. However, you will also notice that they all still look very cartoony. For this video, I thought I would go as far away from my comfort zone as I could. What this means for me is to paint realistic images. I never paint realistic paintings because I've never learned how. Now I am happy to say that the painting came out pretty good for a first trial. Not great, but not terrible either. I guess I'll keep trying. The last thing I would like to add to this is don't try to be perfect. Embrace your mistakes and learn from them. So that's it. Please let me know in the comments how you overcome your white page syndrome. I would love to hear back from you. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.